Welcome back. In this session, we are going to install kubectl command line tool to manage our Kubernetes cluster and its resources. This is very simple. Let's go to the browser and type installed kubectl on Mac, or you can type Linux or Windows, whatever operating system you are using. I'm using Mac, so I have typed Mac and hit the enter. Now let's open the first link, and here you see this is the installation instruction for the Mac. If you click here, you will see installation instruction for the Linux, and again here for the Windows. Let me go ahead and follow the Mac one. It's very simple. First things first, I need to download the binary using this link on my local machine. So let me go here to the terminal. Okay, let me clear my screen and download it will take couple of seconds, and once it will download, I'm going to change permission of this binary. Then we will move into the bin from where my system will be able to understand this binary. So this is got downloaded. Now let's go ahead and scroll down. And okay, second step is to, if you want to make sure it's really got downloaded, so for that, using the checksum of the file, but I trust this. Now next step is to, we need to change the permission of this executable. Copy this and paste this. Now we are moving this executable to usr local bin, and this is the location where any executable exists, right? So my system will be able to understand this tool kubectl. So let me do that. Done. Now we need to change the ownership of this file. Okay, so let me change this. Perfect. Now all done, and we can go ahead and check the kubectl version. Now we see kubectl version 1.33.1 is installed, all good. Here we can type kubectl get nodes. Okay, so something was installed earlier, this got deleted, that's why you see here. Let me clear here, kubectl get pods. Just I'm testing here. Okay, it's not able to connect. Okay, that's why this is showing this error. But now you see here kubectl got installed. Now this is working. And if you are if you are using the Linux, you can go ahead and follow this instruction. Again, same things, you have to download it. Then again, you can check the if file is got downloaded correctly. Then again, you can go ahead, then install this. Then you can again change the permission, and then you can test it. Very simple. If you are using the Windows machine, again you have to download this exe file. Then you can install, validate it. Then again you can go ahead and install it. Okay, you have to set the path, and then you can test it. So this is very simple. So please go ahead, based on your operating system, install this. Once you are done, see you in the next session where we are going to install Minikube Kubernetes installation on our local system for local testing and development. Thank you so much. See you in the next session.